And they're off in the New Orleans ladies as Rachel Alexandra starts her 4-year-old campaign, and Fighter Wing is just inside Rachel Alexandra as they head to the first turn. Then Zardana, Clear Sailing, and Unforgotten has dropped back to last. Into the first turn, Corey Lattery, the pilot, with Fighter Wing, who's in front of the horse of the year, Rachel Alexandra, who's close up to Fighter Wing through the turn. Those leaders have 4. On Zardana, settled third, 3 more lengths back to Clear Sailing, and Unforgotten is last to the quintet. The first quarter for Fighter Wing, 23-4, racing down the backstretch. It's Fighter Wing in front, just leading Rachel Alexandra, who shadows Fighter Wing's every move, and they have 5 furlongs to go in the New Orleans ladies. Fighter Wing and Rachel Alexandra. Zardana is third, joined up the inside by Unforgotten, and now Clear Sailing has dropped back to last. They move past the half-mile pole. Fighter Wing covers 4 furlongs in 47-3, with Rachel Alexandra right there poised to challenge for Calvin Burrell. And Rachel Alexandra up now to Fighter Wing. Zardana is third, and they have 3 furlongs to go. Unforgotten and Clear Sailing trails. Rachel Alexandra in front. Here comes Zardana on the outside. Zardana comes to tackle Rachel Alexandra. And these two at the quarter pole, top of the stretch. Fighter Wing has dropped back, Unforgotten and Clear Sailing. Homeward bound to the New Orleans ladies. Zardana narrowly. Rachel Alexandra at the rail is a neck behind a Zardana into this final fairgrounds furlong. Zardana in front. Rachel Alexandra laying it all on the line. Inside the final 16th. Zardana, a test for the horse of the year. Rachel Alexandra second, 2. Zardana plays the spoiler in 143-2, defeating the horse of the year. Unforgotten third, then Fighter Wing, and Clear Sailing was last.